Hello everyone. Today we are going to do an interview with to prepare a question. Question one. Uh, have you brought anything recently because it is trendy? Question two. Do you think it was a good financial decision? Explain your answer. Uh, let's see how they will answer. Can you answer the first question? Not.
I just bought a serum on TikTok because I see a lot of people use it and interview and review it.
What about it?
Recently, I bought a mouse with high quality, and because I because it currently trendy in gaming community.
What about Nick?
I bought a new sneaker and because it's beautiful and very popular now.
Thank you. So what is your answer for a last question? Not.
I think it's good because I use it for a week and it make my face be better than before.
What about Win?
I think it was good decision because my old mouse was breaking and the new one wasn't too expensive, and I used money for my monthly budget.
What about Nick?
I think it's a good design because I wear them often. I wear them often, and they comfortable.
Thank you.
Thank you.